guys, and welcome to my back garden. We being me and my mum, have just been picking some mint and spinach because we're about to make chocolate mint smoothies. And maybe I should acknowledge I am wearing a face mask. It's morning and I wanted to. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back inside and then we'll show you how to make it. Smell it, guys. So back in there in 3, 2, 1. Some celery, cucumber, spinach from the garden, and some dates, preferably Mazzafati dates or Majul dates, some frozen banana, and some oats, hemp protein powder or collagen powder, and then some cocoa powder. If you don't have mint from the garden, you could always use mint tea as well as an alternative. And here we have almond butter. You can use any nut butter, this is just my favourite. Well loved. Oat milk, almond milk, some cow's milk, or just water. To bread, and it's a very delicious alternative, a paratha, and yeah, you cook straight from frozen, and you can find it in most Indian food halls, and they come packaged individually. My mother also said you can find it in most supermarkets. So that is it, paratha. Let's cook. You want it to go a little more translucent. And that is done. Spinach, mushrooms, scrambled egg. Today we have a different scrambled egg, and we have the paratha instead of the bread that we made yesterday. Both are delicious. Both are great. Chocolate, it's minted. Or no, chocolate, you're minted. The apple crumble, I thought of crumbs. It's raining apples. Because why not name your food? But I hope you have a really lovely day and that you are staying home and just enjoying yourselves as much as possible, baking that banana bread, doing those TikTok videos, and we'll get through this together. Also, I feel like this is such a started from the bottom, now we're here kind of thing. Started with the face mask, no makeup, under that face mask. Now my hair is done and I have some makeup on because this girl's about to go on a virtual date. But yeah, that was that. Bye. Cheers.